Enjoy it. It tastes like paper. Hello people, welcome back to my channel, David's son Reza, and you are all welcome. Guess what? Last week I had a chance to visit Croatia.
Feel the waves cut through me.
This country is awesome. There are so many ruins to explore. So we are on the top of this. The others. Oh, so scary. History to be discovered. This is not in Italy, guys. This is in Pula, Croatia. And of course, the sea and nature.
I'm freezing right now. The weather is still cold.
I am here with other architecture students from European Architecture Students Assembly or EASA. So, this is Croatia vlog series. Take your seat and enjoy.
Başla.
So good morning guys, this is Friday morning now, and this is the situation in the morning in Reka, Croatia.
Already destroyed in the past. Have I lost sense of time? No rhyme and no rhythm. No way to go home, no way to bear with ya. But this can't be gone. We can end it all just like that. Baby, I know you know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes. Baby, I know you know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes.
Guys, good morning. So today is the last day for the presentations, the preparation of the presentation for tomorrow exhibitions, because tomorrow is our last day in here. And as you can see, there's still no one from our group here. Don't understand. Because they work a lot, and I think they are ready. Yeah, this is what I am doing now. Using my section analysis, and I will paint it with different colors to make it visible. And I still don't know, I have these materials. I think I want to use it for my presentation, but let's see. And this is my other stuff still going on. I will finish this one first. See you again.
You know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes.
Enjoy it. It tastes like paper.
You know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes.
It's almost ready to be exhibited tomorrow. This is all the work that I did. See you tomorrow in the exhibition.
hope you have seen already Allah. Allah. You haven't seen Allah. I have been in Sweden. Okay. I have the okay. One you want to get in?
Hey people, you can hit the subscribe button to get more videos over there, and you can catch up with me through my website, blog, podcast and Instagram account over there. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.